Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a unboxing of the, what month are we? September's Boxy charm. Here is one that they sent, Boxy charm sent me, and then here is the one that I pay for. So let's see what's inside. Card. So this one is a wildflower. Has all the prices right there. So first is a Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brand Topic Hues. This one retails for $28. This is really pretty. And the little mirror. Let's swatch. Ooh, it's pretty. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours. Ooh. So this one retails for $20, and this is his Valentine's favorite. So that's $28 already, just with this blush. Next is these brushes. This is a Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. This retails for $18. So they have a blending brush, a lid brush, and then this flathead brush. These right here. Really nice, really soft. So it's made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids. White with fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash line. So perfect under your lash line. Lid. And then to blend, just those three. And this is for $18. These three are for $18. Next is this pretty lipstick. This one is Hank and Henry. This is a liquid lipstick? What? It says. This is Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. What the heck? Okay, let's see this thing. Matte liquid lipstick, petal pusher, petal pusher. Oh my god! Oh, you gotta twist. Oh, how cute! No wonder I was all confused. That is so cute. Okay, I love this packaging. Okay, this packaging is so adorable. This is Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. I was so confused because it looks like a regular lipstick, but ta-da! It is actually liquid lipstick. Look at the applicator, so pretty. So let's see if I can swatch this. Really pretty. Okay, that's an ugly swatch, Tiffany. There we go. Oh, that's a beautiful color. So this one retails for $17. And have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. Ooh, I'm gonna let it dry. But this is so cute. I've never had anything from Hank and Henry. So this retails for $17. Next is this Butter London Glazing with a liner. It's this right here. Look at that pointy applicator. Okay, let's see. Not really a big fan of that. And this one retails for $19. Next is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It's this one right here. Really pretty packaging. It's the back. And those are the shades. Perfect for smoky eyes. It has a mirror right here. Really pretty. So this one is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture and luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. And this one retails for $35. Let's do some swatches. Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, and let's do Silver Spoon. Really pretty. It does transfer. So those are all of the 5 items I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm excited to try this, and these. Actually, I'm excited to try 4 out of 5 of them. These are the most ones that catch my attention. I am not going to be a big fan of this Borderline London eyeliner. Not a big fan. And the only difference in my other BoxyCharm that I received was a lipstick. This one came with a Lorac liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Deep Burgundy, which is this right here. Really pretty color. And it also came with a Butter London liner, but this one is Stroke of Wow. And this one looks like this. And this one has a different applicator. It's like a wheel. I actually like this one better than the other one. That's the only difference. It also came with the same blush and brushes and the palette. So this month's BoxyCharm retails for $119, which I only paid $21. Sign up now with the link in the description box. You get all these full-size products for over $100 or more. It's really worth it. Sometimes you get really awesome things like look at this big old palette. This retails for $35. This blush retails for $28. I mean, you can't go wrong with this box. So that's my unboxing. Now, how to win this BoxyCharm. Leave me a comment down below how you found me on YouTube, and if you follow me on Instagram, you gotta follow me on Instagram, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share, and I'll give you 5 times the points if you share it on your Insta stories, my YouTube channel and Instagram. So I'll leave the rules down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's